Did you actually start? Yes, you did. Okay, folks, we are back. And we are gonna head in the car. Just cause why not? And we are gonna chill in there for a while. And have some coffee. I'm gonna bring these though, which somehow don't know how these fucked themselves up as badly as they did. Like an inner layer of like shit. Ah. Yeah, those are cooked. They are fucked, but I have some gloves in the car. And I had a pair of gloves I was gonna bring in the car, but where I threw them, I don't know. So in the car without them we go. It's 0 degrees right now. So not the warmest weather, to say the least. And yes, indeed, there is a layer of frost on my windshield. Although, not bad, because I have that other sheet. Now you are closed, right? Yes, it is. I have this ice scrape, and here is, well, these fucks which are guaranteedly cold, but oh well. Yes, they are cold. So well. Great shit. At least this one is better than the one I had. This was the one Oscar brought back from work. So good shit. Glasset her kommer til å dra til helvete enda. Snowy shit. Oh wow. Ja, bakruta får the back window will get to thin itself. Because it is heavy ice. And I have mirrors, so from being used to dry truck sim, this I shouldn't need a back window. So, good shit. On that note, får du til å komme til sent den jævla. Cold shit indeed. So, oh jeez, cold indeed. So, I have warm coffee here, which I'm not gonna do the mistake of opening that immediately. So, now, sit a bit on the jacket, cause cold as indeed, and key indeed. We are gløding -3, you say. Glød 2. Glød 3. Cold shit. Is that ice on the outside again? Yes, that is ice on the outside again. So great shit. Great shit. No artist, you say? Ah. That's why you're saying no one. And this shit freezed on again. Besides from me not cleaning my mirror though. Which also is built up with the ice. So that is great shit. Now I can maybe see where I'm backing up. And now I can kind of see where I'm driving. So let's move, shall we? Bass och bromsförstärkare ju sig. Ja. I know about that. I see this mirror is holding very well, I see. I'm pretty sure I'm on the curb on that side. But no, I am not. I'm standing plenty fine actually. I'm standing plenty fine actually. That is just boo-ha. Swish. So now turn you off, turn you to like 2, give her a little bit of trot there. Cause she's a cold boy. So yeah, so I'll probably be back with you guys once the car is semi-ish up to operating tempo, I suppose. Okay, we are back and well, she's close enough. Although due to the thermostat on this thing, it tends to jeez. What I was saying was that due to the thermostat on this one, it tends to get a little too cold. So that may happen. And then I'll just have to rev her a bit more, but we are back. And well, I also need to put a Wunderbaum on the list. Then whenever I get my GPS back, or well, get that ordered, I was gonna call the Statens Vegvesen today, but that completely went in my forgetting book. So that did not happen. So there's one thing I may think that we can do tonight. And that is rerun the ground and potentially move where those power cables comes out to the side panel if we are able to, because I'd rather have them come out of the side panel right over onto the sub and up than they're coming right up off the panel, because then they're pinched. You guys will see what I mean when we begin. 250 now. Wasn't you like 230? Oh well, but I guess since I checked it when I was revving it, it was less, I guess. Okay, instead of this shit, C89.5, home for Seattle home and dance audio. Where you go? Ah, I was about to ask where you going in the field or something. No, you are going straight down here apparently. For some reason, I guess theoretically speaking, you could probably drive all the way down to a grave or something, or drive straight through here to the road on the other side, I suppose. To think about it, I haven't refilled this thing since I came back from up north. So the last time I refilled it was the 5th of August, I believe, and I believe I haven't refilled it since then. Well, yes, 326.4. I mean, it corresponds to the odometer because we refilled on Namskogan. And I reset my T1 every time I refill. Which means I have gone since the 4th of August, or the 5th of August, 5th of August, 5th of September, 5th of October, 5th of November. So I've gone 3 months. Granted, 1 month was down in Stavanger, but I've gone 2 months with actively having the car on, like over here, standing, chilling and whatnot. So yeah. So I mean, as far as fuel usage while standing still now, granted now that the winter has come, I've been revving her for like a 10 minutes straight to get some heat into her fast, but other than that, been looking quite well. And you guys may be wondering, well, why aren't you standing on the other parking like you normally do? The main reason for it is because if I'm working on something, here I have light. So I can, if I'm working on something in the engine bay, I can put the car forward. If I'm working on something in the back, I can put the back in here. And also if I'm working on the brakes or something on either side, I can stand with my car backed in if we're working on this side, and the car driven in if we're working on this side. You started? Yes. Okay, we are back. And now I'm going to show you guys the idea here. So this is the new ground cable, and my idea was to just run it up into the well here from within the battery if it's possible, and then just run her out together with where, quote unquote, the RCA and the remote is coming out, and well, the power remote, and then just into La Sub. But this is the cable. The problem is that I see no good way of getting that over there unless we make a hole. Or vi run her up here and then in, which we can do potentially. Yeah, now this is a problem, which I was hoping was not going to be a problem, but is now a problem. This won't hold itself anymore. So great shit. But yes, we need to maybe run shit up behind here to get it into here, like they have done here. Oh, helvete. So yes, so best solution is loose, run up. Now the problem is that screwdriver is in my backpack, which is inside. So I guess we are driving to get that, I guess. Because I completely forgot that. I forgot about that one. So then we go get that one. And that is never gonna work. That is 4th gear. That is too high gear. So yes, so driving at that. So I'll just bring the backpack. Since it has everything. Besides from a knife. Now really I only need 2 cables in there. So what I can do when I am done doing you know what? bring some gingerbread and the rest of my coffee. And yeah, a knife. Knife går. Do I need a knife? Probably not, but you never know. Somebody's gonna think I'm a murderer, but oh well. So a backpack, you. And the coffee. So, coffee on the gloves-ish, cause it's a little toasty. Gingerbread, here, sure. Backpack of tools, go here. How do we get out of here? That way. So, lights, headlights off. Coffee. And gingerbread. Coffee, good music, gingerbread, and car work. Coffee, good music, gingerbread, and car work. Good shit. Because then I can route that around. The problem now is that this shit is covered by this shite. But yes, behind here is empty and goes up into that room. So good shit. Now the problem is to route our plus up that way. We gotta kill power. Or not kill or yes, we gotta kill power, because if I try to run a map plus there, which has things on it, that's not gonna work very well. As far as space goes, to get space, I have a solution. I have a solution for that. Then we can take you down. And then take this one down and see our beautiful sub. Right here. Oh, helvete. Take that one out from the back, because that one's not coming out the front. So good shit. So idea is de-hook it and send it backwards, I guess. Well, that glue held very well, I see. Yes, skyve it that way is the quote-unquote method we're gonna do this. It seems. Since if I can get her over enough to slide this side forward, then we are doing pretty good. But that doesn't seem like that's gonna happen, so that means sub needs to come that way. Oh. Give me a burn. To kill the car, to do this, I'm gonna try and keep the doors closed and keep most of the shit here heated. Now I do not have L tape, but I have normal tape, so I suppose this is gonna be a great night. So we need to unscrew, which is a 2.5, I believe. No, that is a 3. I don't know what the hell I thought was a 2.5, but oh well. Anywho. That is your plus. So all I'm going to do is actually move this one forward, yeet this one out and shake it. As said, I don't have normal electrical tape, but this will prevent it from shorting out in anything at least. And that's what I need, so great shit. I guess out the back and in the front. I guess, if that's even possible at the moment. And I guess it maybe is. Yes, it is possible. Was this what I thought I was gonna do? No. So you go. Yeah, but happy deep. So you go in the back seat. After you go in the back seat, this bitch comes up and all the way out without throwing all of this shit in the car. Okay, good shit. Then we have the entire room here open, which for some reason, okay, that's fancy shit. So now begs the question here. You are the plus, yes, which probably is gonna need to be longer. Here is the ground, which is gonna get switched around to a black one. And you are anyways longer. So what we can do is just switch around this one. Because plus minus. So good shit. Also, what we can try and do is get 2 minus on that one, because we could say it's not the optimal length. We could say, hallo Bjarne. Ja, jeg spurte om faen meg føreboka, men jeg trenger ikke faen meg det når jeg står og jobber I faen meg kulda. Thank you very much, mate. So that is old ground out of here. Then there is new ground. which can be routed up first. So, new ground will be routed under here apparently, since that leads right down here. So good shit. So manifold under here. See, that the underside here is apparently what is here is always loose. This shit is actually inside of here, but here it's always open in there, so good shit. Then you go over here and then you come out there. That is probably long enough, yes? Yes, that is long enough indeed. Yes. So that is ground. Good shit. Then spin around. A little bit of extra slack. That is your ground. Then if I can, I'm gonna try to ram 220mm into the terminal here and then into the block. Because right now we have 16mm for that. Good shit. So ground is ground. Good shit. So that will just... Hva i helvete? Ah, that is ground. Yes. So there you are. Here is ground. Yes, we need to loosen this battery. So yes. Bilen holder seg varm da, så good shit. Ah, I forgot, you were at 12. Great shit. You were at 12, so you are a you. You are a you, fancy shit. Because I do not need to weld this bitch like I did last time. Because we need to pop that out, but even for that, reserve tire is kind of in the way. Ah, that's why water is coming there. Lol. Coffee. So, let's lift this shit up. Oily shit. Yes, rusty as fuck indeed. Are you correct size? No. You are a number 2 or a number 3, I think.